Science fiction promised us virtual avatars, smart cities, and digital versions of ourselves. Guess what? One of those is already here. And it's transforming how we plan factories, logistics, and production lines. Let's talk digital twins today and how they are changing the game. What is a digital twin? A digital twin is a virtual model of your production and logistics environment, like a factory, a production line, or a material flow process. It shows how materials move, how space is used, and how people work, all based on real data. That means you can test ideas, optimize setups, and make smarter decisions before anything changes in the real world. It's already reshaping how planning gets done today. So instead of making decisions based on guesswork, you try out ideas. You shift stations, adjust rack layouts, explore walking paths. No try and error on the shop floor, just well-informed decisions before anything goes live. Let's say you want to add a new product variant. With digital twins, you can quickly answer. Like, does the text still work? Is the material flow consistent? Can the layout even handle the extra demand? What does it cost? From logistics to space to material provisioning, your digital twin becomes a sandbox. You try things, you compare versions, you improve the outcomes today. When things change, and they always do, you don't start from scratch. You update your plan, analyze the impact, and stay in control. Digital twins help you to see the connections, constraints, and opportunities. No need to decode spreadsheets anymore because insights are visual, clear, and actionable. The smartest decisions? These are the ones you already tested, right? And that's the power of digital twins. Want to try it yourself? Well, get started. Start planning with ipolog.